Having an organised home isn't a one and done project. I'm sure you've seen or heard of TV shows where a crew comes in to a messy home, removes everything, sets it up and leaves. This may seem appealing to you. Many people are overwhelmed at the thought of going through their belongings, making a decision about each item and then maintaining an organised home. Wouldn't it be easier to have somebody just come in and do it for you? The problem with one and done organising is that it doesn't help you build new habits. Your home might look nice right then, but if the way someone else organised your things doesn't suit you and you don't know how to keep it organised, the clutter will come right back. It's a learned skill and one that anyone can learn. And there's nothing wrong with using an organising service like Nonnegotiable to help you with that on a regular basis. An organised home is much easier to keep that way. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you organise your home. If you've put in the effort to organise your life and home, it's worth knowing how to keep it that way. Knowing how to stay organised keeps the clutter from coming back. Instead of doing a total overhaul of your house once it gets unmanageable, you can use the power of habits and organising systems to do small bits of work on a routine basis. That's much less stressful. Use these techniques to build and maintain your home organising systems and habits. Non-negotiable habits. First, you must decide which organising systems and habits you'd like to incorporate into your life. What daily or weekly tasks are necessary to keep your home organised? These are your non-negotiable home organising systems and habits. In addition to keeping your home organised, it's important to take care of you too. If you're run down and not feeling your best, it makes it that much harder to take care of anything or anyone else. I've come up with 8 non-negotiable habits to build a healthy life. Get up at the same time each morning to start the day off right. Practice self-care like meditation and exercise. Make your bed, it matters. Eat well, incorporating healthy foods into your diet. Express love to the people in your life. That helps everyone. And clear the decks before the end of the day so you're ready for tomorrow. Relax into a bedtime ritual, like reading a book or listening to guided meditation. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a night. Lack of sleep affects all areas of life. Know your why when you're starting a new habit. Wanting to make your bed every morning is good, but if you don't know why you're doing it, the habit's not likely to stick. Does making the bed give you a sense of pride? Does it start the day off on a productive note? You betcha. Discover your personal reason for starting a habit to make it permanent and a home organising system. Schedule it. Put it in your calendar, in your phone, on a sticky note on the fridge, whatever helps you remember your new habit. Eventually it'll become second nature. Reward yourself. Tell yourself you're doing a great job because you are. And when you stick to your home organising systems, take yourself out for a coffee or just pat yourself on the back. There are lots of ways to help yourself stick to a new home organising system. Habit trackers are super useful because they help you keep accountable and act as a record of all the work that you're putting in. Discussing your new habits with friends helps too. Having people to talk to can help keep you on track. And if you fall off the organising wagon, that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes and falls short sometimes. One of the best things you can do is consciously recommit. Draw a line in the sand, burn your bridges, and backwards, and cross that Rubicon. Keep a beginner's mind too, especially if it's been a while. If you used to meditate for an hour a day, but lost the habit a year ago, restart the habit as if it were new. If you go too big too fast, you run the risk of burning out and becoming discouraged. Finally, be compassionate towards yourself. A good attitude paves the way for living a truly organised life. If you want help setting up your home organizing systems, go to homeorganizingsystems.com to sign up for our new 4-week course starting in the spring. Organize to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website organizetoexcel.com.